Introduction to linear equation in two variables. Linear relates to line. Equation is that which contains a equal sign. You can remember in this way. So, linear equation in two variable means an equation that contains two variables of degree 1 each. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the general form of a linear equation in two variables where a, b, c are real numbers, x and y are the two variables. Also, a and b can't be 0 at the same time. Now let's consider some of the equations. First, ax plus 3y equal to 32. Is the equation linear equation in two variable? Yes. Now you try to guess the answer of the following equations. Simultaneous linear equation. When we think about two linear equations in two variables at the same time, they are called simultaneous equations. Before solving the problems of simultaneous equations, I would like you to see certain basic concepts. Two positives make a positive. Two negatives make a positive. A negative and a positive makes a negative. A positive and a negative makes a negative. These 4 points are very important, so do remember them. Now let us see how to solve two linear equations. Look at the constant of the variables of x and y. Case 1. If any one constant of the variables of both equations are same, consider the following equations. 2x plus y equal to 5 and 8x minus y equals to 15. Here the variables y has the same constant in both of the equations. Now, if the variables having same constant have different sign, then we have to add them. Here we will add both the equations. Case 2. If there is no such variable with same constant, then convert it by multiplying with a certain number. Consider the equations. 5a plus 2b equals to minus 3. We'll name it as equation 1. A plus 5b equals to 4. We'll name this as equation 2. Here, there is no same constant in any of the variable, that is a and b. So, we will multiply the entire second equation by 5. We get the equation as 5 into a plus 5 into 5b equals to 5 into 4. That gives us 5a plus 25b equals to 20. We'll name this equation as equation number 3. Consider the equations 1 and 3. We see that the constant of variables a is same. Now, if the variables having same constant having same sign, then we have to subtract them. Here we will subtract because the 5a in both the equations has same sign. The solution will be like this. Now we will solve some problems from the exercise, but before that I would suggest you to take a look at the solved examples. Now let's consider another example. We have our equation as 1 by 3x plus y equals to 10 by 3 and 2x plus 1 by 4y equals to 11 by 4. We'll consider the equation 1 by 3x plus y equals to 10 by 3. Now multiplying the equation by 3 to remove the 3 at the denominator. After solving, we get the equation as x plus 3y equals to 10. We'll name this equation as equation 1. Consider the second equation. 2x plus 1 by 4y equals to 11 by 4. Now we will multiply this equation by 4 to remove the 4 at the denominator. After solving, we get the equation as 8x plus y equals to 11. We'll name this equation as equation 2. Now, consider equation 1 and 2. Multiplying the equation 2 by 3 because we have 3 with y in the equation 1. After multiplying, we get the equation as 24x plus 3y equals to 33. We'll name this equation as equation 3. Now consider the equations 1 and 3. Here we are going to subtract because the term 3y has the same sign. After solving, we get the value of x as 1. Put x is equal to 1 in the equation 1. After solving, we get y equals to 3. Therefore, the solution is x comma y is equals to 1 comma 3. Now let's consider a little different example. First, let's see our equations. We have for 49x minus 57y equals to 172 and 57x minus 49y equals to 252. This is a special case. If we observe, we will notice that the constant with x in the first equation is same as the constant of y in the second equation. Similarly, the constant with y in the first equation is same as the constant of x in the second equation. You have to follow 3 steps. Step 1. Consider 2 equations and add them. Give the answer as equation 3. Step 2. Similarly, subtract the 2 equations and give the answer as equation 4. Step 3. Solve the equations 3 and 4. Now let's see how to do this. Adding the equations. After adding the first and the second equation, we get the answer as 106x minus 106y equals to 424. Dividing the equation by 106, we get x minus y equals to 4. We'll name this equation as 3. Subtracting the equation. After subtracting the first and the second equation, we get the answer as minus 8x minus 8y equals to minus 80. Dividing the equation by minus 8, we get x plus y equals to 10. We'll name this equation as equation 4. Now, consider equation 3 and 4. After cancelling the minus y and plus y, we get the value of x as 7. Put x equals to 7 in equation 3. After solving, we get the value of y as 3. Therefore, solution x comma y equals to 7 comma 3. Thank you for watching our video.